What's up? It's me, Rihanna. So my current dilemma is I have formal tomorrow, and originally I was just going to wear my prom dress from high school, which I did last year. And then I was like, I'll just go look for a dress, and I don't want to spend a lot of money because I don't wear formal dresses ever, so I'm going to Goodwill. So this is going to be a Goodwill try-on video, possibly. We'll see what actually ends up happening, but yeah. I found a dress. It was that navy blue one from the little montage thing that just happened. And I'm really excited because this dress only cost me $5. I was thinking it was going to be like $15 because I've bought some overalls from this exact Goodwill and they were $13. So the fact that this prom dress costs less than the overalls is kind of weird. But, whatever, I guess overalls are in high demand. But I'm kind of glad I did this way because if I would have gone out, I would have found a dress that was like $40 or $30 or something. And it's just not practical because I'm not going to wear a long dress ever again. But this is just for this event. So, I mean, $5, sustainable fashion, it's a good deal. It's Saturday night, which means time to get ready. So I just took a shower, and next I need to do my makeup again, but I'm not doing a whole tutorial this time because that takes a really long time, and I'd rather just hurry up and get it done because I have to pick up my friend in 45 minutes, so stay tuned. And that's it. That's my dress. That's what I look like. Thanks for watching. Peace.